The new BI from Betopper 1925W LEDs. Moving ahead, let's check it out. What's up? What up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Betopper 1925. This is a new unit from Betopper, and I got to be honest with you. I didn't want to have to tell you this, but this was in a box, and I unboxed it. So here it is. All right, so real quick, before I go any further, in the box, we did have your power con connector, your quick locking brackets, very nice, your manual, and a DMX cable. Manual is pretty good. I'm going to let you know right away that there is a lot of information in the manual. A lot of information, a lot of different channel modes, etc., etc., etc. But with the multiple DMX modes that it has a very simplified DMX mode and it has a very high channel DMX mode. They do not correlate the instructions and the unit. It is what it is, but great value. And I'm using, for my demo, I'll be using a 99 channel version, not in here. It's similar to what's in here. I kind of had to figure out a little bit, it took me a minute. But if you use Show by Show Express and you would like that profile, I'll be more than happy to help you out. But anyway, let's get to the light. We have the Betopper LM1925. We have 19 4-in-1 LEDs, red, green, blue, white. And you can, like I said, you can go into about 99 channel DMX and you can pretty much pixel map it, controlling the red, the green, the blue, and the white individually for each of these if you want. And with DMX, there are many different possibilities. There's macros that do different things, macros that are for full colors, patterns where things will go on and off in different ways. You can speed it up, slow it down. You have a 4.5 degree beam angle when you are zoomed in, and when you back it out, your 45 degree beam angle, which is sweet. You have a full 540 by 270, so a lot of movement. The unit weighs in at about 25 pounds, so it's not light, but it's gonna stay in place, which is nice. And also, when you turn it off, it will fall like that, which seems kind of clunky, but that's the way it goes. And it doesn't go this slow when it's on. We'll see that. It goes to about here, I think. But you also have the infinite kaleidoscope / windmill effect. So when this spins around, you'll get that in and out thing that you see from BIs that you're probably familiar with. If not, we're going to show it to you in a minute in haze, because that's more fun. And it also has a CTO, which is color temperature orange, if you're not familiar with that term. And what that basically means is that you have a nice warm look, and you can back it out so you have basically different shades of white, white to amber. So basically like saying you have an incandescent bulb, but you want it to look more like a fluorescent bulb. You can kind of adjust that with the CTO, which is pretty cool if you're doing nice big washes and you need a warm lighter stage light kind of look, okay, which is very cool. So what else? Let me show you the unit a little closer. Here you have the front of the unit. You have your menu options right here. I don't have it plugged in right now, but I'm just gonna flip it over so you can see the back. You have your DMX in and out, your power in, power out, power switch, and you have an accessible fuse. Very, very nice, very simple. Now we're gonna turn it on and take a look at the menu, because I know that's your favorite part. So first, let's power her up. You have your DMX address. In your DMX addressing, you can change your channel selections, which just says a 99, a 21, a 28, a 35, a 78, a 92, 97, and a 99 channel option. The major differences between those are the higher the number you go, the more you can control. And then we're going to go back out of that. You have different run modes. The run modes you have is you have DMX mode, you have fast mode, and that's going to let the light go crazy, 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 crazy. It's going to look like this. And it's just going to do its own thing, and it's going to go everywhere, as you know, because you watch my channel. Now we're going to go back into that, and we have sound active mode. And I've just checked it off, and right now you can see it's moving slowly. And with the absence of sound, it will slowly change and slowly slow down. And while it's doing that, it is doing some different macros and patterns, which is cool. But the nice slow movements, you can hear the fan. So as more LEDs are on, the more fan noise you will get because they'll kick on. You're set, you can invert your pan, your tilt, etc. Your sound sensitivity is in this setting as well. You have a 1 through 100, and it really does make a difference. I set it on 86 because that seemed to work for when I was tapping. And the higher you go, the more sensitive it is. Lower you go, the less sensitive it is. And with that, I'm going to go to the address. Oops, my bad. I'm going to go to run, and then I'm going to go back to DMX mode. And then the light's going to be ready for DMX. So we've put it in DMX. We're going to go ahead and move it to the other side of the room, as you're familiar with, and see what this thing can do. I put it in 99 channel DMX operational mode into Strobe Show Express, and we're going to put some haze in the room and see what this bad boy can do. The Betopper 1925. Bam, banging, super cool. Did I mention $429? And there's a coupon. What do you think about that? Betopper 1925 BI. You have 19 25-watt red, green, blue, white 4-in-1 LEDs. You have up to 99 channels of DMX. You have auto mode. It's a fast auto mode. Wasn't crazy about it. Sound active works pretty well. It will go everywhere, but sound active works pretty well. It does have sensitivity adjustment for it, which is awesome. And you have the 4.5 to 45 degree beam angle, the infamous windmill kaleidoscope effect, and a great price of only $429. $429. Link is below. But very cool unit. You have the full moving head, which is great. It is powerful. It is bright. You have full color mixing, full dimming, and you have the CTO. So you can do the nice warm color. Would work great for mobile DJs at 25 pounds. It's getting a little heavy, but not crazy. Fits perfect on a totem. And with two of these, you've got more than enough coverage. And like I said, even with the moving head, which is awesome, you don't even have to move this thing to get great effects, because just by using the kaleidoscope windmill effect with some of the macros and how they move back and forth like this, you have some pretty cool, crazy lighting. But would also work great for some stage lighting because you have the big washes and you have the nice warm color temperatures if you want them, but you also have the ability to zoom that thing in and do some color mixing too. So it's a really cool unit. Once again, $429, link is down below. My name is Chris, and we hope you liked it, and we'll see you soon. So thank you, peace.